Hello, future and current South High students. Time management is a life skill you will need to keep with you forever, whether that's keeping track of when an assignment is due, when you have an appointment, or where you need to be. A great way to keep track of that is to use your Google Calendar in your email. On the right side of your email, there will be options. You want to click on the calendar, the box that has a 31 in it. In here, you will be able to see all different dates where you can make appointments. You can track when assignments are due or look if you have any scheduled meetings. If you want to create an event, you click on the time when that event is. You can title it. If you're having a meeting with your counselor, make sure you put in that title. If you have a certain time you need to be there, make sure you add that. If you wanted to add any guests of meeting with your counselor, make sure you add their name. If you're meeting with them virtually, you click Join with Google Meet so that you have a link to meet with them. It's always good to also set an alarm for yourself, a reminder that will pop up on your computer to remind you of this event. Again, time management is a skill you will need to keep for the rest of your life. Why not start today and get organized?